What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be doing a pack opening. We're gonna do the players pack. We're gonna do the two that we could get. So let's see who we get. Okay, 79 cornerback, 33 halfback, 81 halfback, 76 quarterback Carson Palmer, Sam Shields, Desmond Bishop, okay, and defensive Wes Welker, 83 overall wide receiver. Okay, middle linebacker, 73 overall. Carlos Dansby, middle linebacker, 84 overall. And cornerback, 83 overall. And finally, 79 halfback, CJ Spiller. Yeah, let's go on to the next one. See what we get. Okay, so we do get an update team, so there's going to be a good player in here, I guess. Okay, let's see. So, 74 overall. 75. Safety, offensive guard, 81 overall. 80 overall. 83 overall defensive tackle. 75 overall safety. 82 overall safety. 75 overall halfback. 81 overall halfback, and this is our player. Let's see. 91 overall cornerback, Leon Hall. So yeah, that's it, guys. Just open one pack real quick. See if we got anything. Nope, we didn't get anything. So yep. Thank you for watching. Click that subscribe button, and yeah.